Almost 90% of car owners drive their vehicle every single day and have absolutely no idea what it can actually do. We're talking factory-built features, hidden buttons, secret compartments, things the dealership never bothered to show you on the lot. And one of these features can save you from a $400 repair, a roadside lockout, or even a serious accident. So if you've owned your car for years and still feel like you're missing something, you probably are. Here's 10 secret car features you 100% need to know. Let's begin now with hidden feature number 10. Visual note close-up of fuel gauge with arrow next to pump icon. Hidden feature number 10, the tiny gas tank arrow on your dashboard. You pull into an unfamiliar gas station, you forget which side your fuel door is on, and you end up doing that awkward U-turn around the pump. Sound familiar? Here's what they don't tell you. On almost every car built after 1986, there's a small triangle or arrow right next to the fuel pump icon on your gauge cluster. That arrow points to the exact side your fuel door is on. Left arrow, left side. Right arrow, right side. Take 3 seconds tonight, walk out to your car, and look. The Ford Motor Company actually patented this design in the 80s, and it's been quietly sitting on your dashboard ever since. Trust me, you'll never circle a pump again. You'd be very much surprised by this next hidden gem. Hidden feature number 9, the floor mat anchor hooks. Your driver's side floor mat keeps sliding forward and bunching up under the gas pedal. It's annoying, sure, but it's also genuinely dangerous. Studies from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration have linked unsecured floor mats to hundreds of unintended acceleration incidents. Here's how it actually works. Look down at your driver's side carpet. You'll see 2 small plastic or metal hooks sticking up out of the floor. Your factory floor mat has matching grommets, those little reinforced holes. Lift the mat, line up the holes, push down, and twist the hook to lock it. Takes about 10 seconds. The kicker is, if you bought aftermarket mats from Walmart or Amazon, they probably don't have grommets, which is exactly why your mat keeps wandering. Wait till you hear about this next one. Hidden feature number 8, the long press auto up window. You pull up to a parking attendant, you pay, and now you have to sit there holding the window button up for 4 seconds while it slowly closes. On most modern vehicles built after 2005, you don't have to. Here's the deal. Pull the window switch up firmly and let go immediately, like a quick snap. The window will roll all the way up on its own. Same thing works going down on the driver's side, just press it down hard and release. This is called the express or one-touch function, and federal safety rules actually require automakers to include an auto-reverse anti-pinch sensor with it. So if a kid's hand is in the way, the window stops and drops. Your Toyota, Honda, BMW, and even most Hyundais have had this for years. Trust me, this next one will shock you. Hidden feature number 7, the mechanical key hidden inside your key fob. Your fob battery dies in the parking lot, the buttons don't work, and now you're stuck. Most drivers panic and call AAA, which runs $80 to $150 if you're not a member. But here's what they don't tell you. Almost every modern key fob, from your Nissan to your Mercedes, has a small physical metal key tucked inside it. Look for a tiny sliding tab or release button on the side or back of the fob. Slide it, and a real cut key pops right out. Your driver's door has a hidden keyhole too, usually covered by a small plastic cap near the handle. Pop the cap off with the key tip, unlock manually, and you're in. Less than 10 seconds, $0. Now, for a secret car feature that'll make life easier. Hidden feature number 6, the glow-in-the-dark trunk release. This one exists for a genuinely scary reason. Federal law since 2002 requires every passenger vehicle sold in the United States to have an emergency interior trunk release in case a person, especially a child, gets locked inside. Open your trunk right now and look at the inside of the trunk lid. You'll see a small handle, lever, or pull cord that glows green or yellow in the dark. Pull it, and the trunk pops open from the inside. Show this to your kids, your spouse, anyone who rides with you. It costs nothing to know, and one day it could genuinely save a life. According to the NHTSA, dozens of children die from vehicle trunk entrapment every decade, and almost all of those deaths were preventable. If you made it here, we'd really appreciate you liking the video. It'll help us do more car tips videos like this one. Hidden feature number 5, the windshield washer nozzle pin trick. Your windshield washer fluid is shooting too high, missing the glass completely and spraying the roof of your car instead. Most people assume the nozzle is broken and pay a shop $200 or $400 to replace the whole assembly. But here's how it actually works. Those tiny black nozzles on your hood have a small ball joint inside them that you can manually aim. Grab a sewing pin, a thumbtack, or even a stiff paperclip. Stick the tip gently into the spray hole and tilt it up or down to redirect the stream. Aim for the upper third of your windshield. Test it, adjust it again, and you're done. The whole fix takes about 60 seconds and costs less than nothing. But wait, if that hidden feature blew your mind, this next trick could save your night drives. Hidden feature number 4, the headlight beam adjustment screws. Your headlights point too low, the road feels dark, or worse, they point too high and you're blinding oncoming drivers. Most people never adjust them. Pop your hood and look at the back of each headlight housing. You'll see one or two small screws, usually marked with a tiny up-down arrow or the letter U. A Phillips screwdriver and a few clockwise turns lifts the beam. Counterclockwise drops it. Park 25 feet from a flat wall, mark where each beam hits, and adjust until both beams sit just below eye level. The mechanism is the same on a 2005 Civic or a brand new BMW, simple gear-driven aim adjusters. A shop will charge $80 to $120 to do this. You can do it in your driveway in 5 minutes. You'd be very much surprised by this next hidden gem. Hidden feature number 3, the secret upper glove compartment. Most drivers know about the regular glove box, but on a huge number of vehicles, especially Toyotas, Hondas, Subarus, and pretty much every Hyundai or Kia built in the last decade, there's a second hidden bin right above it. Look for a small notch, button, or pull tab on the top of the dashboard, just below the windshield. Press or pull it, and a panel flips down revealing extra storage. Some manufacturers call it the upper console, some call it the auxiliary bin. Either way, it's the perfect spot for sunglasses, registration, or a phone you don't want sliding around. Many luxury brands like Lexus even add a felt lining inside to keep things from rattling. Trust me, this next one will save you a real headache. Hidden feature number 2, the TPMS reset button. Your tire pressure light comes on, you fill up all 4 tires, and the warning still won't go away. So you drive to a shop, and they charge you $40 just to push a button. Here's the deal. On most modern vehicles, there's a small TPMS reset button hidden under the steering column, inside the glove box, or buried in your dashboard menu. Owner's manual will tell you exactly where. With the engine running but the car in park, hold that button down for about 3 seconds until your tire pressure light blinks 3 times. Drive for about 10 minutes above 15 miles per hour, and the system relearns each tire's correct pressure. Done. $0, 0 appointments. And finally, the biggest one of them all. Hidden feature number 1. The secret dashboard diagnostic menu. This is the one almost nobody knows about. Buried inside your dashboard is a hidden diagnostic mode that shows real engine data, transmission temperature, individual tire pressures, battery voltage, and on many cars, the actual cause of your check engine light, all without a single tool. On most Toyotas, you turn the ignition to on without starting, then press and hold the trip meter reset button while turning the ignition off and on twice. On Fords, hold the trip reset and press the brake. On GM vehicles, cycle the key on and off 3 times quickly. Suddenly, your odometer screen turns into a full diagnostic display. Mechanics charge $90 to $150 just to plug in a scanner and read these same codes. Your car has been hiding this from you the entire time. So, which of these did you already know? And which one are you running out to your car to try right now? Drop the number in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want more car secrets the dealerships will never tell you, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.